Well, basta it's the same advice na binigay sa amin when we were starting. Always be polite, be nice to everyone. Be respectful, especially of the, hindi lang yung mga senior, pero of everyone you work with, because people remember that. And be professional. Come on time, come prepared, and do not be noisy on the set. Yan ang kailangan matutunan ng iba. Kasi naglalaro sila. Remember, we're here to work. So, you have to be professional. You have to, you have to show that this is a respectable job, hindi to laro. So yun lang naman. But for the most part, a lot of them naman are very, very polite, which is very important. Kasi ganun din kami nung araw, And, that's a big, big plus. Yun, basic yun sa lahat ng gusto mag-artista. You always have to be polite. Hindi lang sa mga artista, mga production people. Kasi yan ang karamihan ng production people, tandaan nyo, hasang-hasa na yan sila. At lahat ng artista nakita na nila at alam nila kung sino ang tatagal at sinong hindi. So, yun lang ang advice ko.